So this recording will demonstrate how we internally use the email client in our own application to log in to Gmail to download and import documents from our image from our document processing solution. So we are now just going to sign in to our test system. And then we will demonstrate how we set up the Gmail configuration using our custom application configuration that we've previously set up in the Google Cloud. Here is our client ID that we received after we created a project and created the client for the email client. Here is the secret that we entered, and the scope is hard-coded in there to use the user info email under that single scope. Once we hit save, the application registration is updated, and now we can go in and add a new email. So as you can see, once I hit that, we'll see the sign in automatically to any Gmail accounts that I have on my systems. Right now we have one Gmail account. So we're going to select that. And you can see that it's also giving us the icon for our application, and it says continue to our application that we actually set up in Gmail. So we're going to click on the account. Right here, this says that it is not verified yet. So we'll go to the unsafe application for now. Here it will ask us to sign in and consent for signing in to the Ancora email input for Gmail. Once we do that, it also gives us another sign-in consent, making sure that we trust this Ancora email input for Gmail application. So we're going to go ahead and hit yes, continue. Once that is complete, you can see here on the bottom that we have signed in with Gmail with IMAP, and under the user's Gmail information. Here, the application will pop up the email configuration with all of our inboxes. So all we have to do is choose a folder or an inbox. And this allows the application to pull from that inbox to get any additional emails to import into here. So we're just going to choose one. So we're going to choose here. We're going to change the polling time to make it a little bit quicker for demonstration purposes. Hit save. Once that's saved, what we'll go in and do is under our Gmail account, we'll go to that actual folder that is created, and we'll put in a test email to import into our application. Under this label 95 test, we'll go to that label. And there will be a test right here. So we will mark that as unread, so that way we can see the application can notify that there is an unread email. Mark it unread. And after 30 seconds, this should pull, our application should pull and be able to import that email. So we'll go to our batch screens to see once it does import, we'll see actually a batch created in there. The application will mark this as read once it does import it. So we are now waiting for the application to upload this email. And as you can see, now it's marked as read. We can go in here and view there is a new batch that is created called batch for email. And as we go into our data verification screen, we'll see the batch being imported into this for data verified processing. And this is the document that is actually imported in. We will verify that by actually just clicking on this attachment, and you can see that is the attachment. And now it's pushed through the system, and that is the end of our demo.